Okay, you are welcome again. Do you remember what did we study in the last class? We are at the end of the story, very near. We have 2 more paragraphs to complete. So, may please take page number 50 of your textbook. Before that, let us look. There are 2 questions are there. Question number 12 and 13. We have discussed it in the last class again. I will say you the answer and correct your answers. I kept searching in the water, hoping someone would surface soon. Did anyone came to the surface? We discussed it. No one came. And what happened? Why they didn't come? Because they have lost, all of them have lost their lives, or they drowned, or they died, or they sank in the water. Whatever maybe you can write. One more question we discussed in the last, related to last class. Pick out the image of the sun. What was that? I told you in the last class, the sun was hot and metallic. That's the only answer. You just write it. So all these questions and answers are to be written in your notebook. Okay, now let us go to the end, conclusion, or what happened to him. Let us look. 2 or 3 hours I calculated. From paragraph number 14 we discussed it. Let us come again. Calculated and seemed an extraordinary long time alone at sea, and I tried to resign myself. I decided to because I had no food and water was there, and my skin and head was hardened because of the salt water, because I was swimming in the salt water, and he had lost his cap, so he had to splash water on his head. So there we stopped in the last class, and he sat on the lifeboat, on that raft, waiting to be rescued. Be rescued. Someone will rescue him. Next paragraph. On 14th paragraph, second paragraph. It was only then that I felt the pain in my right knee. So there was a pain on my right knee. There was a pain. The thick blue drill fabric, my trouser leg was wet. And it was a blue trouser. Trouser means pants and trousers. So it was I was wearing a blue drill fabric of my trousers. Leg was wet. It was still wet. And so I had a hard time rolling up. Because pants rolling up. But when I ditched, I was startled. So when I rolled it up, I was astonished. Why he was startled? What? I saw a deep half moon shaped wound on the lower part of my knee. On the lower part of my knee, there was a half moon shaped. Pagudi Chandra, Chandranda Pagudi, half moon shaped wound on the lower part of my knee. I did not know if I had gashed it on the side of the ship. I don't know what happened, how this gashed. Gashed means I gashed. I had gashed it on the side of the ship. Or if it had happened when I hit in the water, I don't remember, for I did not notice until I was seated in the life raft. So he had not noticed it until he seated in the life raft. Though the wound burned a little, what happened? Burnt a little, it had stopped bleeding. There was no bleeding. Blood and it was completely dry. So there was no bleeding because of the salt water, I imagine. എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നത് ഈ ഉപ്പുവെള്ളത്തിലാവുമ്പോഴേ അതിൻ്റെ ആ ബ്ലഡ് വിരലൊക്കെ നിന്നിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ബട്ട് ദർ വാസ് എ വൂണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, ദിസ് ഇസ് സിമ്പിൾ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ലാസ്റ്റ് പാരഗ്രാഫ്. Uncertain as to what to do, I decided to make an inventory of my belongings. ഇനിയിപ്പോൾ എന്താ ചെയ്യുക? Uncertain, I don't know what to do. Even though, what did I do? I decided to make an inquiry, make an inventory. I list of the things. എന്തൊക്കെ എൻ്റെ കയ്യിൽ, എൻ്റെ സ്റ്റോക്ക് എന്തൊക്കെ സാധനങ്ങൾ എൻ്റെ പോക്കറ്റിലും അവിടെ ഇവിടെയൊക്കെ ആയിട്ട്, മൈ ബിലോങ്ങിങ്സ്, വാട്ട് ഐ ഹാവ് വിത്ത് മീ, എൻ്റെ സമ്പാദ്യങ്ങൾ, ബിലോങ്ങിങ്സ്. വാട്ട്? To make an inventory. I wanted to figure out what I could count on in my solitude see. I just thought about whatever that I had to see. First of all, I could rely on my watch. First of all, so നമ്മൾ സമയം നോക്കിയിരുന്ന ആ വാച്ച്, ഇറ്റ് വാസ് ദ വൺ തിങ് ഓൺ മൈ വാച്ച് വിച്ച് കെപ്റ്റ് പെർഫെക്റ്റ് ടൈം. സ്റ്റിൽ വെള്ളത്തിലൊക്കെ വീണെങ്കിലും കൂടി ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് കീപ്പിംഗ് ടൈം പെർഫെക്റ്റ്ലി. ദെൻ and which I couldn't stop glancing at every 2 or 3 minutes. So I was always looking at the watch, at my watch, 1 or 2 minutes. I was keeping that time, which was keeping time. So you look at that, I couldn't stop glancing. എനിക്ക് നോക്കാതിരിക്കാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞില്ല. Every 2 minutes, that means every 2 minutes he was always looking at the watch about the time. And minutes in addition, കൂടാതെ I had my gold ring. Which I had bought in Cartagena. So he bought a gold ring from Cartagena and it was with him. Another thing, the year before, and a chain with a medal of the Virgin of Carmen. Medal of Virgin of Carmen. Virgin of Carmen മെഡലുള്ള ഒരു ചെയിൻ. ആൻഡ് ആൾസോ പർച്ചേസ് ഇൻ Cartagena. That's also he purchased from Cartagena from another sailor for 35 pesos. For 35 pesos. Peso it's a coin. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അവിടുത്തെ ഒരു നാണയം ആണ് പെസോസ്. നമ്മൾ $35, 35 റിയാൽ, 35 യൂറോ, 35 ദിർഹം എന്നൊക്കെ, 35 റുപ്പി എന്നൊക്കെ പറയുന്നത് 35 peso. He bought it for 35 peso. In my pockets I had nothing but the keys to my locker on the small ship. And in my pocket there was a key of the locker of my small ship. So in that small ship he had a locker and the key was within his pocket. And in my pockets I had but the key of my locker and a small on the small ship and 3 business cards I had been given at the store in the Mobile. So when I was in Mobile, it's the name of a place, Mobile. So in that Mobile store in Mobile you look at capital letter M capital letter, that means Mobile is the name of a place. Let us hope. അല്ല, മൊബൈൽ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ മൊബൈൽ ഫോൺ അല്ല അവിടെ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. മൊബൈൽ സ്പെല്ലിംഗ് is same but the capital letter is, so it is a place. So from Mobile I had been given, so that means the shopkeeper may have given him that business cards, some 2 or 3, how many? 3 or 3 business cards I had been given. That means somebody had given him. Somebody gave him, so I had been given. Somebody had given him some business cards. I had been given the store in Mobile one day in January. On one day in January when I had gone out for shopping. So from Mobile I had gone for shopping. At that time somebody had given him some three business cards which was also in his pocket. Since I had nothing to do, so he was alone, nobody was seeing him and there is nothing to do. So what did he do? നമുക്കിപ്പോൾ ഒന്നും ചെയ്യാനില്ലെങ്കിൽ പിന്നെ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? So what will we do? Suppose you are waiting for somebody, we are waiting somebody and he is still late. So what did you may take your mobile phone, ഉണ്ടായില്ല, വാട്സാപ്പിൽ മെസ്സേജ് ഒക്കെ നോക്കും. അതർവൈസ് ഇഫ് ഇനി മൊബൈൽ ഇല്ലാത്തവരാണെങ്കിലോ, he had no mobile phone. Lasgo had no mobile phone. So what did he do? He looked his belongings. He had a watch with him and there was a gold ring with him. He had a gold ring with him and which he had bought from Cartagena, and a chain. And what was the speciality of the chain? With a medal of Virgin of Carmen. Carmen Virginൻ്റെ ഒരു മെഡലൊക്കെ ഉള്ള ഒരു സ്പെഷ്യൽ ടൈപ്പ് ഓഫ് ചെയിൻ he had and he had bought it from Cartagena for 35 pesos. 35 peso കൊടുത്ത് വാങ്ങിയ. That was with him. So he looked, he checked it. Then he had nothing. Then in his pocket he found that when he checked the pocket he found the key of his locker. ലോക്കർ ഏതിൻ്റെ ലോക്കറാ? ഷിപ്പ്. ആ ഷിപ്പേ മുങ്ങിപ്പോയി. ഇപ്പോൾ കപ്പലോണ്ട് കീ കൊണ്ട് പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് കാര്യമൊന്നുമില്ല. എനിവേ ദ കീ ഓഫ് ദ ലോക്കർ ഈസ് ദർ ആൻഡ് 3 ബിസിനസ് കാർഡ്സ്. അതെവിടുന്ന് കിട്ടിയതാ? when he went into mobile. So that's the name of a place. So for shopping he went to mobile for shopping. So from one of the shops had given him 3 mobile cards. So not mobile cards, but business cards. So he looked at that business card and read it. As he had nothing to do, വേറെ ഒന്നും ചെയ്യാല്ല. മൊബൈൽ ഫോൺ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ യൂട്യൂബിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും നോക്കി കേൾക്കാം. So nothing is there with him. Only these provisions are with him. So what did he do? He just read it, this business card. വായിച്ച് തന്നെ വീണ്ടും വീണ്ടും വായിച്ച് he wasted his time or spent his time, not say wasted. He spent his time. I read the cards over and over. വീണ്ടും വീണ്ടും അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും തിരിച്ചു മറിച്ചു. To distract myself until I was rescued. ഏതുവരെ? Until I was rescued. Divert attention. Distract means divert attention. To divert my attention. അതായത് അല്ല വെറുതെ ഇങ്ങനെ ഇരുന്നിട്ട് ഇപ്പം എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും? So what did he do? He tried to read the business cards again and again. So that was the end of the story, and hope you have understood very well. And if there is any part which you didn't understand, you just send me that part and I will explain you personally, or if needed in the group itself I am ready to explain it again. So there are 2 or 3 questions were still remain. Question number 16 we didn't discuss, but when I did I was startled. Why was Velasco startled? When I did, എന്ത് ചെയ്തപ്പോഴാ Velasco startled? When he rolled it up his trousers, he was startled. What was startled? Because he found a half-shaped wound on the lower part of his knee. That is why he was startled when he saw that. Velasco found a half-moon-shaped wound on the lower part of his knee. The last question. What were the items of the list of belongings of Velasco? Velascoയുടെ കയ്യിലുണ്ടായിരുന്ന വസ്തുക്കൾ എന്തൊക്കെയായിരുന്നു? And still definitely you remember watch, gold ring, chain, key of the locker and 3 business cards. These were the things that he had in his pockets or somewhere. So that was his belongings. So these are the questions and answers. So everybody, all of you should must write the question and its answers in your notebook. And I am repeating, let me repeat that if any part of the story, if you didn't understand or digest very well, you should call me or you should give me a message and I will explain it. Okay, hope you have understood. Now let us look the one more activity for today, then we will wind up the class. Okay, one activity, it is very interesting activity. This is very easy activity also. Fill in the following mind map of the story, the shipwrecked, a shipwrecked sailor. So that is the name of the story. So mind map. So what is the mind map? Look, some parts are given there and you have to complete it. Who was the hero? Velasco. Velasco. Characters and their features. So who are the characters? Who are the characters? You know, there are 5 characters we know. Velasco is already written there. Then who are the other characters? Ramon Herrera, Luis Rengifo, then Julian Amador Caraballo, Castillo. These are the 4 other characters. Just write there only in your textbook. Now you need to write it in the notebook. So you just write this, complete this map. Okay. Now a shipwrecked sailor, main events. So before main events, left and right there are 2 columns. So words describe the sea, words describing loneliness. So you have to find out from the story just to complete the columns. Lot of words are there, but you just to find out some words. Only some words. So how did he describe the sea? Describe the sea. Words describe the sea. You know that? Describe the sea. What was describe the sea എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ what was the word coming to your mind at first? Rough sea. പല പ്രാവശ്യം ഉപയോഗിച്ച റഫ് സീ, വളരെ റഫായ That means he is very. Then another word used in the textbook, you can see that is choppy. Choppy, that means not calm. Then another means lurching. Lurching, do you remember lurching? Another thing, these are all the words. Gigantic waves, that also describes the sea. Gigantic, huge. Just 2 class before you found that word, gigantic. Then blue sea, somebody blue, calm sea, that was also we found. Then deep sea. So these are the words which are describing. You can see, if you refer the textbook, you can see other words also. So you have to write on the columns left. Then let us look words describing calmness, sorry, loneliness. Loneliness means egantada. So which words are there? You just write alone. I sat alone. Then desolate, another word was used. Then what is called lone, alone, lone. Solitary, do you remember solitary? The word solitary is used to describe the calmness. So single is also loneliness. Solitary, solitude, lonely, single. Lot of words are used in the textbook. You just write it in your textbook. Then main events, it's very important. What are the main events which are described in this story? What are the main events? Let us look. Velasco and his, what was the first event? Velasco and his friends. Who are the friends? That we have already found in above: Herrera, Rengifo, Caraballo and Castillo. So what did they do? Their shipmates were sailing from Alabama or Mobile, that was the place. Mobile, he started to Colombia. They tried a journey to Colombia. That was the events, main events. Then what happened? There was a shipwreck, and in that shipwreck, Velasco lost his friends, shipmates. Then what? Then next event, next event we can say Velasco somehow reached in a, what is called, life raft. He reached in a life raft, and then what happened? Before him, all his friends sank in the water, and he was the only person was alone in the raft. And after some times, for days, he spent there on that life raft. So these are the main events which happened to the story. So you have to write it in your textbook only. So let us revisit, and after that we have another very important activity, is very interesting for you, so that we will deal with the next class. Let us stop for the day. Thank you. You should write all the question and answers in your talk. Okay, thank you. Let us see the next class.